Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome to International Opportunity Hub. Friends, my name is Akib Shahzad, and today we are going to discuss about the summer research internship program that is in the University of Hong Kong. So, friends, the summer internship duration is from 29 May to 4 August 2023. And the application deadline to apply for this research internship program is 27 January 2023. So you can check here Summer Research Program 2023 benefits for participation. One-to-one mentorship with an eminent professor and scholarship per participant. Scholarship of 10,000 Hong Kong dollars will be awarded to each participant of the program. Financial support. Financial support of airfare up to 5,000 Hong Kong dollars and university accommodation up to 5,000 Hong Kong dollars. Prize and awards for top performer and possible condition offer letter for the Hong Kong University Presidential PhD Scholarship Program. Wow, that's a very great opportunity. And the scholarship package include up 53,960 US dollars in the first year and up to 51,390 US dollars in each of the subsequent years during the normative study period. That's a very great opportunity. Selection of participant. The target participant. Outstanding undergraduate students in year 3 and year 4 with excellent CGPA, a student in master degree program with excellent bachelor degree from top universities who are interested to pursue a PhD at HKU. Selection criteria: outstanding academic performance, strong interest in research postgraduate study, previous research experience, and high English proficiency, mature and independent. An online application form. So friends, for online application form, your documents are required, which are your copy of certificate, academic transcript, and your full name of applicant, your GPA, your class ranking, and copy of official score report of English language proficiency test for applicant from institution outside HK where the language of instruction examination is not entirely in English, and describe up to 3 research experience you have had and your curriculum vitae, your personal statement essay between 300 to 500 words, your summer research interest, your application fee, and you have to pay 300 Hong Kong dollar application fee to apply for this research internship program. And the timeline for this program is the application are open on 1st December 2022 and will close on 27 January 2023. And the announcement of result in the week of 1st March 2023. And this is a 10-week summer research program at HKU, and you can check here frequently asked question. Can I apply for summer research program if I am just a 2-year undergraduate student? Yes, if you are an outstanding student with excellent academic achievements or you have ample research experience, you may still submit your application for the summer research internship program. And I have not taken the English language proficiency test. I'm eligible to apply for this program. Yes, you may still apply for the research internship program if you have not yet taken English language proficiency. Although that would be one of the consideration when selecting candidate for the program. And also friends, you can check other frequently asked question. So friends, I am gonna apply on it. So click on all application form. Please click here to complete all application form. Click on it. So friends, this is the official application form for HKU Summer Research Program 2023. The deadline is 27 January 2023 and you have to pay $300 Hong Kong to apply for this program. So friends, in this application form you have to put your personal information first of all, that is your last name, your first name, the full name of applicant, your passport number, your gender, your date of birth, your place of origin, your email address, your contact number. Then go to the next section. So friends, total are 9 pages. So this is the first page. So friends, I am not gonna put all my information step by step. So friends, this is a very simple application procedure. You have to simply put your all information and uploading your supporting documents, and after that pay your application fee, and after that you simply click on submit your application form. So friends, this is a very great opportunity for students who are doing their undergraduate or master degree in any institution in the world can apply for this summer research internship program. And the plus point is that you can get a conditional offer letter for your PhD in fully funded scholarship program. So friends, must avail this opportunity if you are eligible for this program, and also friends, share this video with your friend circle. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.